Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. A lot of y'all have said, or a few of y'all have said, and on that post that I made on YouTube, y'all have commented on it that y'all wanted to see the day-to-day stuff here on Fletcher Farms. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start filming more day-to-day stuff. I'm gonna start out this morning by feeding the cows and then checking the traps and hair in the garden. And we got a new piece of equipment here on the farm, and this piece of equipment is mine. It's an International 230 windrower. It's a hay mower is what it is, self-propelled. Had a good friend give it to me. So yep, got a little bit of stuff we're gonna do on it and whatnot. So let's get at it. I think the donkeys like it. Alright, the cows is fed. Daddy's running the box blade on the road with the 4630, and I'm on the 674, and I'm gonna get the hair out and go hair up the garden. There's some weeds and stuff starting to come up in it. I'm gonna get rid of them. Am I the only one that likes first burnt diesel in the morning? I know them idiots that created death are probably having a heart attack because there's some smoke coming out of it. Well, let's go to the garden. Okay, moving on to checking traps. There's one of them. There's a stick right there. There's the dirt hole, and the traps right here. Just a regular dirt hole set. Nothing in it. This is another trap coming down this road right here. This is a place where I deer hunt. Deer stand right there, and up there's where we store the peanut hay at, if you've seen that in the video. There's just a little road down here that runs down the edge of the property line. We've got a trap right there. There's a dirt hole. There's the trap. Just trying to catch coyotes or foxes or whatever might be running this wood line. Here's another trap right across the road from where I just showed you that one. It's a double dirt hole set. The trap's right here. Just trying to, the deer come from down here and go across this hill and go right through there and on. The coyotes and foxes and stuff like to follow deer trails, so this trap right here. This is a dirt hole set. The trap's right there. There's a dirt hole. Got this cotton field right here. This is some of the hay bales that we're feeding the cows, and then right through there is the hay field, as y'all saw in that hay bale moving video. If you watched it, if you didn't, go back and watch it, and you'll see what I'm talking about. House is right yonder, and this is that field I planted the winter grazing in. Got a trap right here at this intersection. This is a set we put in yesterday. It's a single dirt hole set. I do a lot of single dirt hole sets, as you can see. This one's unique. We caught a coyote in it yesterday, but he pulled his foot out of it. And what I done, there's a Duke 550 trap right here and a Victor number 3 soft catch right here. There's 2 traps right here, back here. So he'll walk right here instead of going over there where that log is and these sticks. He'll walk right here, step in the traps before he gets to the dirt hole. And the ants have started to take it over. Okay, this is the last set on the line. Nothing in it. Bobcat come here last night. I didn't look at the tracks. It's all around it and tail. But obviously it wasn't heavy enough, or he just didn't step in the right spot to set those traps off. There's the trap pan sticking up right there where he walked all around it and didn't set it off. There's a dirt hole there and a dirt hole there. 2 number 3 soft catch traps right here. When I caught that fox the other day, he was right up there on top of that hill. And I had a crazy idea. I put 6 traps in an oval shape and put ham and dog food in the middle of it. I dug me a hole with a shovel and put ham and dog food in the middle of it, just to try something new, something that they wasn't used to. And I did that. A week later, got a fox in it. So, and the reason why I did that one like that is because that fox had been getting caught in some of my other sets, but he's always too quick and he wouldn't get caught good enough, and he would end up pulling his foot out of it. So I said, well, I'm gonna get him this time, and I did. I caught him in 3 of those 6 traps. So got him taken care of. The biggest thing I've learned with trapping is every set needs to be different. And if something's not working, try something different. I mean, like the way I caught that fox. I've caught him 3 or 4 times this year. That same one. I think it's the same one, I reckon. And he's too quick. He wouldn't get caught good enough in the trap for him to stay there. So I used a different bait and a different type of set that he wasn't used to, and he fell for it. And he stayed right there until I came and got him. When something's not working, as far as trapping goes, try something different. I mean, I couldn't catch him with a regular set, a dirt hole set. I mean, that's what I've been trying to catch him on. He'd always end up getting away. I got him that time. Same thing with this bobcat. Spit it out. I'll think of it in a minute. I don't know what it was. I forgot my line of thought, but well, I appreciate y'all watching. I had a lot of fun today. This is just one of the days, or this is a day's worth of something that we do here on the farm. So I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you another day.